Hey there, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of nature's gifts. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of garlic. Get ready to discover the incredible benefits this humble ingredient has to offer. Let's get started. Garlic, scientifically known as Allium sativum, has been used for centuries as both a food ingredient and a natural remedy. So, what makes garlic so special? Well, let's find out. Benefit number 1. Garlic is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin B6, manganese, and selenium. Plus, it contains beneficial compounds such as allicin, which gives garlic its distinct odor, and numerous health-promoting properties. Benefit number 2. Garlic is great for heart health. Studies have shown that regular consumption of garlic can help lower blood pressure, reduce LDL cholesterol levels, and improve overall cardiovascular health. It also has natural anti-inflammatory properties that may contribute to a healthier heart. Benefit number 3. Garlic supports the immune system. Thanks to its antibacterial and antiviral properties, garlic can help strengthen our immune defenses. It has been traditionally used to combat the common cold, flu, and other respiratory infections. So, adding garlic to your meals during flu season might give your immune system that extra boost it needs. Benefit number 4. Garlic is a potent antioxidant. Antioxidants play a vital role in protecting our bodies from harmful free radicals, which can damage cells and lead to various diseases. Garlic's antioxidants help neutralize these free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and promoting overall well-being. Benefit number 5. Garlic has antimicrobial properties. Throughout history, garlic has been used as a natural antibiotic due to its ability to fight bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It's even been used topically to treat skin conditions like acne and fungal infections. Remember, though, if you have a serious infection, consult a healthcare professional. Benefit number 6. Garlic may have anti-cancer properties. Several studies suggest that garlic consumption may be linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, including stomach, colon, and prostate cancer. Although more research is needed, the evidence so far is promising. Benefit number 7. Garlic enhances the flavor of your dishes. Besides its health benefits, let's not forget that garlic is a fantastic flavor booster. Whether you're roasting it, sautéing it, or adding it to your favorite recipes, garlic adds a delicious, savory element to your meals. So, there you have it. Garlic truly is an amazing ingredient with a wide range of health benefits. From supporting heart health and boosting the immune system to its antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. Incorporating garlic into your diet can have a positive impact on your well-being. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed learning about the benefits of garlic, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Let us know in the comments below if you've already experienced the power of garlic in your own life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy.